Zenkutsu Dachi, Hidari Yashmai, Hajime. You see? From there. 1. From there, 1. From there, 1. Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Shelley and this is Train Karate with Shelley. Now, again guys, if you're new here, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you can be reminded every time when we upload or notified every time we upload a new video. And also thank you very much guys for those of you who subscribed, those of you who are talking to us. Thank you very much. We thank you for the love and support. Now guys, today's lesson is a bit advanced, not really advanced in the matter that you can, the sense that you cannot be able to perform, but it's advanced that we have now come out from the very basic movements. I want us to advance so that you can be able to now learn more movements. Yes? Now stay with me. Now, I said that I reminded you that last time in the previous video. If you've not watched our previous video, remember I said karate is a step-by-step learning process. Yes? You remember? Good. I want us to learn something called the Zenkutsu Dachi. Zenkutsu Dachi, sorry. The first stance was Shizentai Dachi. Our second stance was Musubi Dachi. Today is Zenkutsu Dachi. You hear how those dachis are coming along? It's because we have to learn each and every step by step. Yes? Now, this step or this stance is supposed to help us learn much more advanced movements in karate. It's something that is going to help you to know how to get your stability, your strength, know where you're supposed to stand rather. So let's get on to it. And again, guys, if you've not watched our previous videos, kindly go back, watch them, and here's the link so that you can be able to move together. Now, I want us to move from our Shizentai Dachi. I'll keep on reminding you. Shizentai Dachi, so that you can be able to move step by step. Yes? From Shizentai Dachi, I want us to learn Zenkutsu Dachi. From there, I want you to place your left foot forward. Your right leg is behind there, straight at 45 degrees. This is my left leg, forward at 90 degrees. The reason as to why it's 90 degrees is because 60 to 70% of my body weight is in this leg. Then 30 or 40% is in my rear leg, the right leg. Yes, from my side, let's see. Left, forward, yes. Right, backwards. So don't be fooled by my uniform. This leg is supposed to be straight. So, that is 90, this is 45. On the other side, now when you move to this other side, you're going to realize, okay, we can just do it to the left. So this is my left leg and my right leg behind. Now, let's do it as how you can do it when you're given an instruction by your sensei or by your instructor. So from my Shizentai Dachi, Zenkutsu Dachi. Now, you're going to also realize that Zenkutsu Dachi is going to be followed by Hidari, my left leg. Remember, you're being given an instruction. You're being told, move. Yes? Zenkutsu Dachi, Hidari Yashmai, Jime. So, don't worry about the instruction. We're going to learn more of the karate terminologies later. So from there, Zenkutsu Dachi, Hidari Yashmai, Hajime. Hajime means begin, but you're going to do that later also. From Shizentai Dachi, yes. Zenkutsu Dachi, Hidari Yashmai, Hajime. Hidari means left. So you're being told to move forward. So I place my left leg forward. My right leg is behind at 45 degrees. Now you're very stable at this position. Yes? 90, 45. 90 degrees, 45 degrees. The purpose for this position is to make sure that when you're punching, the full body weight is behind your punch. I don't want to punch just yet. I just want to make sure that you are fast in a proper Zenkutsu Dachi. So your full body weight moves you forward. Yes? Now I want you to stand that way. Your shoulders are facing forward. You are 90 degrees and this one is at 45 degrees. Back. From there, go back to Shizentai. Remember, as I was teaching you Shizentai Dachi, I told you that all our movements are going to commence from that position. You're just standing naturally, but you know what you're doing because you're just ready, just a ready stance. And then you're given a command, Zenkutsu Dachi, Hajime. So I skipped Hidari Yashmai, but it's one and the same thing. Zenkutsu Dachi. So from there I said, 1, yes, left, right, 90 degrees, 45 degrees. Remember our 3 learning aspects. I teach you, I demonstrate, and then we do it together. Always remember that. So I'm still in the first process. I'm still trying to teach and teach and teach until you get it correctly. 90, 45. As you go back, you simply back to natural. Again, from there, see my hands are just free for now because I don't want to first apply the full application before you get your legs right. Back. Again, once more. Back. Good job. From there now, from here at 90 and this at 45, with our body facing where we want to go, now I want you to place your right arm. Yeah, put it into a fist. Just bring it there. Swing it. Yes, from there, just swing. Then place your left hand on your right shoulder. Yeah, you see the space in between? Now I want you to close that gap. Then slowly slide your left arm on top of your right arm. Once you get to the wrist, slowly retract your right arm into Hikite, you remember? Then place your left arm in a fist, as you can see, just on top of my knee. This is my knee. Remember, we're at 45. I'm leaning forward because I want to show you. But the correct stance should be this way. You see? So kindly forgive me as I lean. It's simply for learning purposes. From 45, this is 90. I said my arms are just free. Make a fist or swing your right arm into a fist. Then slowly place your left. This is a fist. Remember our fist video? Place it like this on your right arm, shoulder. Then slowly, it's like, yeah, you see my movement? I'm sliding my left arm on top of my right arm. Once I get to my wrist, I retract into Hikite. You also remember our Hikite video. Then my left arm, I slowly place it on top of my knee. Yes? Did you get that? Or else do it once more. So from there, slide your arm, your right arm, place it there, slide, get to Hikite, and then place your fist. You see? So now, my instructor is giving me an instruction, yes? I'm in Shizentai Dachi. Zenkutsu Dachi, Hidari Yashmai, Hajime. You see my movement? From there, adjust one, not this. Yes? From there, just step. Look at my arms. Then make sure that this is 90. Slide, retract. Now I'll do the full thing so that we can be able to do together. Zenkutsu Dachi, Hidari Yashmai, Hajime. You see? From there. 1. From there, 1. From there, 1. Good. I know it's quite a process. I know you need to adjust maybe your movements, your hip movements, but it's okay. We are learning. So if you don't get it the first time, don't worry. Nothing is wrong with you. Nothing is wrong with your feet. Just remember to follow each step. Remember, the reason as to why you feel that I'm using a lot of energy is because there's something we call Kime. Yes? Kime is power. You have to apply Kime in each of your every technique. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you for watching. We're going to be learning more tips and more learning points as we progress. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for keeping up with Train Karate with Shelley. And let's continue training. Let's keep up the spirit. Let's enhance our body, spirit, and mind. Thank you. See you in my next video. Domo arigato.